Welcome back sa ating channel guys. For today's video, may new update nga pala sa Smart. Pag nag-load ka ng regular load 100, may plus 1GB ka. So paano ba natin makukuha yun? Tara. So kung wala ka pang ganitong apps guys, download mo lang sa Play Store. Kung maitatanong nyo guys kung paano mag-register sa Ka-Partnert app, madali lang siya guys. Punta lang kayo sa playlist ko, nandun kung paano mag-register. Balik tayo sa tutorial guys. Type lang natin dito yung number na gusto nating loadan na regular load na may plus gig. So, panoorin natin guys. So, dito guys, makikita natin dito pag nag-load tayo ng 75, may free 500 MB. Pag 101 guys, 1 gig. 115, 1.5 gig. 125, 1.5 gig. 150, 2 gig. Try natin mag-load dito ng 100 guys. So, ang tanong guys, paano kung nawalan ka ng data, nawalan ka ng wifi, pwede pa rin ba makapag-load ng regular load na may plus gig? Pwede pa rin guys. So, ipapakita ko lang saglit guys kung gaano kaganda ang apps na ito. Madali mo lang makikita dito ang mga promo o gustong ipapaload ng mga customer sa'yo. O, nandito na lahat guys. Nandito yung giga video, giga stories, pantawid, all data. Okay guys, balik tayo dun sa kung paano kung walang wifi o walang data. So, panoorin natin ang video guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind over